Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about packaging of tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup is a product prepared by blending of tomato paste along with the appropriate concentration of sweeteners, salt, vinegar, spices and other condiments. Normally it is in a pasty form. It is consumed along with samosa, kebabs, noodles, sandwich, omelette and other fast foods like burger and hot dog. Packaging. Packaging is the technology of enclosing or protecting products for distribution, storage, sale and use. Packaging also refers to the process of design, evaluation and production of packages. Packaging can be described as a coordinated system of preparing goods for transport, warehousing, logistics, sales and end use. The packaging requirements further includes it is absolutely leak-proof and prevent contamination, be hygienic and safe, economical, easy to use and dispose. It has to adopt different process methodology, printing options, display, etc. Also, it has to satisfy legislation requirements. The general packaging materials used for tomato ketchup mainly includes glass, plastics, metal containers and Tetra packs. In general, glass are chemically inert and will not affect quality, odor or taste of the product. It is strong, rigid and 100% recyclable. Plastics includes polyethylene, polypropylene, polyethylene terephthalate and polyvinyl chloride. Normally it is light in weight, flexible and recyclable. Metal cans, aluminum, tin and steel are mainly used. They are 100% recyclable and light in weight. Cottons, they protect the freshness, flavors and nutritional qualities, enabling distribution at ambient temperatures or under refrigerated conditions. The major filling and labeling equipments used for tomato ketchup, the vacuum filling machine, so mainly it is used in the small scale industry. According to the vacuum creation level, the known quantity of tomato ketchup will be filled in the bottles. After filling, the bottles are closed with the metal corks by using bottle corking machine. In a bigger scale of operation, a continuous vacuum filling machines are used, a spout pack filling machines used, and also a continuous cap closures machines are used in the larger scale industry. At the end, the labeling machines, mainly glue down labels, self-adhesive labels, in-mold labels are used for labeling purpose of these tomato ketchup bottles or containers. The canning of tomato ketchup. The major unit operations include in the canning of tomato ketchup are hot filling into the bottles or cans at the temperature 82 degree to 88 centigrade, thermal processing, cooling, labeling and storage. So normally in this thermal processing, the retort chambers are used. Either the pouch material or metal cans are filled with the tomato ketchup and it is placed in the retort chamber where the higher pressure and elevated temperatures which will kill the microorganism present in the tomato ketchups. After the thermal processing, these tomato ketchup cans are placed in the open atmosphere for 6 months or 1 year. Aseptic packaging. A sterilized product packed in a sterilized packaging material in the sterilized environment with a hermetic sealing is called aseptic packaging. So normally in the packaging of tomato ketchup in a larger scale or a ready to serve form, either the Tetra packs are used or plastic drums or metal drums are used. In Tetra Pak, it contains three layers which includes thermoplastics, paper board and aluminum. Here aluminum foil which gives a higher barrier for oxygen and light, and the paper material gives a strength for holding the material, and the plastic layer inner layers it is possible to seal the product with the liquids. So in the aseptic conditions, the metal drums, 200-liter metal drums are used, and it is packed in sterile condition. So the products are safe for longer period. Another packaging methodology used for packing of tomato ketchups, it is bag in box system. It consists of collapsible bag within a rigid container, a filling machine to introduce the liquid product into the bag, and a dispenser to draw the product out. The bag itself consists of three components, which includes an inner layer, an outer layer, and a spout or mouth for filling and distribution of the tomato ketchup. The major FSSAI requirements for the tomato ketchups are: the tomato ketchup should be filled in the clean bottles. If the acidity does not exceed 0.5% as acetic acid, open-top sanitary cans may also be used. Container shall be well filled with 90% product in a rigid containers. Total soluble solids, salt-free basis not less than 25%. Acidity as acetic acid not less than 1%. It may contain permitted food additives. Considering the safety of the product, microbiological aspects, a mold count, a positive in not more than 40% of the field examined, yeast and spores not more than 125 per 1 by 60 that cubic millimeter, total plate count not more than 10,000 per ml. The label must carry name of the product, name and address of the manufacturer, batch number, date or month of manufacturer, net weight of the contents in grams or kilogram, list of ingredients, FSSAI license number, vegetarian mark green dot, MRP in rupees, the words best before, month and year to be indicated, instruction for storage and use, nutritional information, customer care details. All these things should be mentioned clearly in the labels. Thank you very much.